We went to Camotes Island for 3 days and 2 nights. And here's everything what we did in Camotes Island. First, we visited the famous Boho Rock. Such a good start and mo din nilahang rates, guys. Next is Timobok Cave. Nalingaw sad mi ani kay bugnaw kayo ang water. Next is Lake Danau Park. Nag-horseback riding me, nag-zipline, and nag-paddle boat me. And mo din nilang rates, guys. On our day 2, we visited Santiago White Beach. This is a public resort, no entrance fee, and nag-fruit shakes at me. We also visited Mangodlong Rock. 30 pesos strong entrance fee, nindot kay ang place, and nindot sa dagat. Next is Amazing Island Cave. Bugnaw ang water and tinaw kaayo, and mo din nilang rates, guys. Next is Paraiso Cave. Nindot sa lugar, bugnaw ang cave, and mo nilang rates, guys. Lastly, Tulang Diot Island. I'll be making a separate video for this island. And nindot kay siya, and this is really a hidden gem sa Camotes Island. And guys, if ganahan mo moabang og motor sa Camotes Island na ay 300 per day and naa say motor with driver. And I highly recommend Kuya Ryan Castro, buutan kaayo, very trustworthy, 1,500 ang renta and good for 3 days na siya. And that's it, and salamat sa pagtanaw.